gosh, Niall. Buddy, come on. You gotta let mommy down. You're used to getting about 3 videos from me a week, but this past week I have been working on such a really fun video. Well, not really too much fun for me, but guys, this is going to be a makeup challenge, and this I'm about to kill my skin. This challenge is going to be what happens to your skin when you keep your makeup on for 2 days and 2 nights. That is why I'm coming to y'all today with a bare face, and of course I've got a breakout, and I will get close up so you can see the before and after. I just really was so curious about this, and I know just about everybody who wears makeup has slept in their makeup a time or two. But what happens when you do it 2 nights in a row? So guys, that's what we are fixing to find out. Well, first of all, let's go ahead and get a close up of this. All right, guys. Now you can see I do have a breakout right here. Other than that, besides my birthmark, my skin has pretty much been breaking out a little bit. Now there is a breakout right there, which is going away. And I do have discoloration in a few spots. But guys, we are about to see. If you want to see what happens to your skin when you wear it for 2 nights in a row, just keep watching. I am going to do my makeup off camera because that is not the point of the video. The point of the video is to see what happens to your skin. And I think this is a really good challenge. I mean, they've done 100 layer challenges of makeup, but let's see what it actually does to your skin. I'm going to go get my makeup on and we will be back. All right, guys. We've got our full face of makeup on except for lashes. I did not do the lashes because, of course, you know, they're going to end up falling off. If not before I go to bed, they will fall off when I'm in bed. And I'm not trying to dig around to find a lash in the morning. So, guys, we went ahead. I went full glam. And most of the colors I used are neutrals, natural colors like browns, just because I want to have this on for the next 2 days. And hopefully nothing comes up where I have to go anywhere. And I chose these 2 days because I don't have absolutely nothing to do. So hopefully nothing comes up because I'm going to look like a mess, especially in the morning. Right now, I think it does look beautiful. Now, what my skin's going to look like after the 2 days, that's when y'all have to stick around and find out. Now, I will check in again in the morning just to show you what it's going to look like, of course, the day after, which who don't know what that looks like. Everybody has slept in their makeup at least a time or 2 overnight. But that day 2 is if my skin is broke out, if it looks awful, or what. Let's hope not, guys. All right, so of course this is our full face, guys. I will see you in the morning. The next morning, it is 7:03 a.m. Thursday the 25th. Oh my gosh, do you hear my cat? Hold on just a second. I'm so sorry, guys. This is Niall, and he is actually a year old. He is a miniature Maine Coon, and he just will not quit crying at the door, so I did have to bring him in. It is now 7:07 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see, my makeup is basically almost, well, it's not gone because we know it's there. The residue's there because I slept in it, so we know it's there. But of course it is faded. I'll bring y'all in closer. Niall, okay, guys. Now, of course, you see the mascara, eyeliner, all that, of course, has smudged up under my eyes. My brows are almost still intact. Not too bad. Lips, of course, you know that's going to be gone. I can see a little bit of the contour and the bronzer. I know the foundation is wore out. You see you're starting to see my spots come through. And of course there's those pesky wrinkles, and the breakout right there is shining through. Breakout right there, of course, is shining through. So I am, whoops, got y'all too far away. Okay, so I'm going to go throughout the day and do my daily stuff. First of all, I've got to get the boys on the bus by 7:30, so their breakfast is in. They'd want to check in. Now, I might either check in one more time today, or I might just wait till tomorrow morning and get back on here. But guys, of course, everything is just basically faded. Now, tomorrow morning is going to be the test of time. We will see. Of course, the makeup is going to be off. We are going to wash my face and see what our skin looks like underneath. I'm hoping it's not patchy and red and blotchy. And I hope there is going to be no new breakouts. But this is an experiment, and I really enjoy doing these challenges. And this is one that I wanted to see if I could handle it. So guys, I will see you either one more time today, or I will see you in the morning. All right, guys, it is finally, thank God. Oh my gosh, I could not wait for this day. This has been just such an experience, and I brought Niall back in with me because he helped me start. Well, he came in the middle of the video, so I figured I would bring him back in with me to wrap this up. But it is Friday the 26th. It is currently 8:13 a.m. in the morning. And guys, I thought this day was never going to get here. I feel so dirty, so nasty, and I'm just so ready to clean this off of my face. Before I do that, let's pull you in. Of course, does that, oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous, isn't it, guys? Oh my gosh, and I know my camera sucks, and you really can't hardly see anything, but of course it is more smudging. The brows are basically gone. Lips, what can we say about the lips? My goodness. But of course, that is totally poked through. I can still see a little bit of my contour, believe it or not. And I know it's the contour, not the bronzer. Of course, my spots are coming through. There's that other bump. I hope, whew, I just hope it is not too bad. I hope I have not scarred my skin for life. So guys, I'm going to wash this off and I will be right back. Me and Niall. Alright guys, I went in there and I washed my face. I have not put any of my lotion on yet. And I have not done any chapstick or anything because I wanted to see the true results and I wanted to show y'all. Of course, I still have that bump. Now, let me pull y'all in first. Now, I do still see this bump and that bump. That is nothing new. If I were to say that I did see anything new, it just feels, or it looks like my skin is a lot more blotchier than normal. I wish I could get y'all closer. I usually do have discoloration right in here, but that looks more than average. And if you could see how blotchy this is. Now, of course, my under eyes look a lot darker than they usually are. And if you can tell, there are spots everywhere. And I do have spots. I do. But I don't have them normally like this. So, yeah, and it's just black under my eyes. Guys, my lips, nothing really with the lips, because of course you know the lipstick is going to fade away on its own anyways. But other than that, I'm just so glad that it's off. I am so glad it is finally off of my face though, guys. I'm telling you, that was horrible. And when I took a shower, of course I couldn't get my face wet, so I didn't even do my hair. So my face and my hair have not been washed in 2 days. And of course, you know, the makeup started to fade after the next day. And of course, just about everybody has slapped in their makeup a time or two. So I wanted to carry it on just a little bit longer than that, just to see how bad your skin's going to look up underneath. Now, of course, it's not a good idea to sleep in your makeup. I mean, you know, it happens, because it has happened with me, and it's happened more than once with me. And now I have done it for 2 days. Now, that is a first for me. I do feel like my skin looks a lot worse than it did. I just did have that breakout. I also had this breakout. And I do have discoloration of my skin. but not like this. This is totally almost black up underneath my eye. Now this is a birthmark for those of you who are new and did not know that. This is a birthmark that I do have on my eye. So when I do makeup, I'm usually doing full glam. I'm doing the color correction, especially around my birthmark. And because I do have dark circles around my eyes, I do color correct for that. And I do the green over any of the bumps that I have. But guys, yes, my skin is, I just feel like it is like at least 5 times worse than what it usually is. And again, like I said, no, of course, it's not a good idea to sleep in your makeup. And especially don't sleep in it or don't wear it for 2 days straight. But I just wanted to experiment just to see what it would do. Now, I'm going to take probably the whole, well, I know the whole day today. And most likely tomorrow, I'm just going to let my skin breathe. I'm not going to do no makeup. Now, I might do an eye look or something if I get bored and I want to put a video out. But other than that, I just think I need to let my skin breathe a little bit. But this was just a little experiment, and it was a challenge, guys. And I wanted a new challenge, and I wanted something really challenging. You know, you see these other makeup challenges, full face of makeup with kids' makeup. There's just so many challenges, but there's not, I don't think there's not one that is an actual challenge, like a real challenge. This is my skin, and I gotta live with it. But yeah, I wanted to take that challenge. Up to it, I wouldn't prefer it. But if you want to see what it does to your skin, and if you want to do a new challenge that's, I don't think out there, I don't know, I haven't found it. If there is, somebody let me know in the comment section, because I would love to give credit to whoever it is. I would not prefer you to sleep in your makeup. That is it for this video. And don't forget about the small YouTuber movement. I do have a couple of videos out on that. I will link the main one down below. Make sure you are supporting your small YouTube channel. Subscribe to them. Stay active. Watch their videos. Even if you don't even like what they got on, play their videos. Lay your phone, lay your tablet down, or whatever. Walk off. You don't have to watch it. Just let it play. And be active on these people's channels, guys. Because we need all the help we can get. And all we got is each other. That's it. So, if we're going to pull ourselves out of this slump, we got to have each other. We got to do it together. And we got to have each other's backs. So don't forget about the small YouTuber movement. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glowtort family. We're growing every day, and I absolutely love it. I will keep watching y'all's videos. I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Oh my God, I was so glad to get that stuff off of my face. It was awful, but it's off. I feel so much better and so fresh.